Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 2015 to 2020 Tahoe and Yukon.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Remove the body bolts and bushings from the side of the vehicle you are working on, and lift the body up off the frame rail to provide you with more cutting and welding clearance. Remove or relocate any lines or power harnesses from the work area. Step 3. Begin cutting away the mount. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Hold the new mount up to the frame while using the outline of the factory mount to help with alignment. Tack weld the part and verify its alignment. Remove any potential fire hazards from the work area. Following proper welding procedures, weld 100% around all edges of the mount. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your body mount bolts and bushings, and you're done.